Storm Bram named with severe weather warnings for rain and damaging winds. Severe weather warnings have been issued ahead of Storm Bram, which is forecast to hit the United Kingdom on Tuesday and Wednesday. Gusts of up to 90 mph 144 km/h are likely across northwest Scotland, but strong winds will be felt widely. Heavy rain will also lead to localised flooding, particularly in Wales and southwest England, where ground conditions remain saturated from recent rainfall. There is the possibility of damage and transport disruption. Storm Bram, named by Met Eireann, Ireland's equivalent of the Met Office, develops rapidly on Tuesday, moving north to the west of the UK, but bringing heavy rain and strengthening winds for all. The strongest winds will be around Irish sea coasts and up to the northwest of Scotland, where severe gales are possible later on Tuesday. A yellow Met Office warning is in force here from 15:00 Tuesday to 10:00 GMT Wednesday. Gusts of 70-90 mph 113-144 km/h are expected, which could bring significant impacts. Additionally, Met Office yellow warnings for wind will cover West Wales and southwest England from 22:00 Monday to 16:00 BST.